In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save NFT image files on Opensea. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you get the best possible result. To start, open a web browser and head to the Opensea website. You don't need any special tools for this, just a regular desktop browser works great. Once the site loads, move your cursor to the profile icon in the top right corner. This is where your account controls live. Click Profile to open your personal collection page. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your items show up. On your profile page, scroll through your collected items and choose the NFT you want to save. Click it to open the collection view, and then click the specific item again to load its full item page. This is important because you want the main item page so you're not saving a small thumbnail. When you're on the item page, you should see the NFT's primary image or animation front and center. Hover your mouse over the main image, then right-click to open your browser's context menu. From there, select Save Image As. A file save window will pop up. Choose a folder you'll remember, give the file a clear name, and confirm the file type looks correct for what you're saving. Many NFTs use common formats like JPG or PNG for static images. If the NFT is animated or a video, note that the right-click option may only save the poster image you're seeing. You might need to view the media at full size on the item page to capture the best available resolution. Once you've picked the destination and file name, click Save. Your browser will download the image to the chosen folder. After that, it's a good idea to open the file on your computer and make sure it looks the way you expect. If it appears small or blurry, revisit the item page to confirm you were saving from the main image and not a preview somewhere else on the page. A couple of quick reminders. Saving an image from an NFT lets you have a local copy for reference, but it doesn't grant ownership or licensing rights. The blockchain token represents ownership. The media file is just a representation. Also, creators sometimes host their files on external services. What you save is the version currently displayed by your browser. That's it. You've navigated to your profile, opened the NFT's item page, right-click the main image, chosen Save Image As, and confirm the download. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.